Okay, are we live yet? Let's take out the chat. Oh, okay, there we go. With the chat set up. Yeah, this time I will be reading the chat. I forgot to keep the chat open the last time, and yeah, people were actually watching for some reason. I don't know why you'd watch. I mean, yeah, I guess you can understand what I'm doing and all, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe I've not really thought about it, but what's up, chat? This is the second part of today's weekend stream. I actually had to abandon or break the first one in the meantime, just or like in the middle, because I had to take care of some work IRL. I had to go touch grass, guys. So, anyways, we will be finishing up our CLI in golang. So, this is the current progress that was made, right? So, this is still wrong. This. What what I did or tried to do was that in stats utils there's a function which basically initializes everything from one, like the commits array as such entirely. I think it's in fill commits itself. Um, no, it's in some function here or there. Yeah, this is the one, process repo. So this I try to set it to 0, so that like the offset that we are having, right, that gets fixed, but looks like we still have the offset. That was like the main major issue that we were trying to fix even in the last part of the stream, but we couldn't get to it. But I think I have figured it out. I was just looking at the code, trying to find out what all were the issues. So think the issue lies in the generate columns, this thing. Okay, what doesn't work? I don't know why the tree sitter is not working here, but okay, fine, whatever. ts install golang. Oh, okay, it's downloading it now. Anyways, so yeah, the issue mainly was in the generate columns, this thing. So what we're doing over here is we are having this call of columns and we are appending stuff to it. So it's not really structured in a way. Also here in this k divided by 7, we are actually making a mistake of having this as k minus 7, k divided by 7. It should be k minus 7. So what's happening is that since it is k by 7, in the first week it was actually getting a 1 instead of a 0, due to this line, the day in a week line. And this was causing everything to sort of shift one day forward subsequently. So we are just going to clean up this whole approach. Like this whole approach of having it as a append add, I think is not really good, because this is something fixed, right? You want it to be like a static grid. So even if it does not exist, then like even if there are no commits for that given day, it should not be empty, or should not be that particular entry does not exist. So yeah, and that's the major change, the primary major change that we will be doing. Okay, yeah, fine. So a week is what we will define here, and we'll do it as k minus 1 times 7, and then we'll do this, we'll put this as an integer, just in case this should be outside or inside. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, keep it here. Oh, actually, it does matter. What, my bad. Yeah, it's supposed to be the k minus 1. Yeah, over there. Correct. Yeah, so that this is actually the only major change. Just now, now what we'll simply do is, if calls of week is actually not present, then we will make it, right? So okay, and this just tells us calls equals make, print calls, and we'll put it as 7. Yeah, we'll put this as 7. So this just tells us if that particular index exists or not in the columns array. If it doesn't, we make it. Yeah, and so yeah, calls, we make this, and then we will have to basically keep adding. So j equals, uh, this will be k minus 1 mod 7. So earlier we had it as k mod 7 for the days in week, but that's actually wrong. So k minus 1 mod 7, and then calls of week, we have, sorry, calls of week, we'll basically add it over here as well. And commits of k. So yeah, that is the entire spiel, and then we'll just return this. So wait, actually, this should it be? No, no, no. I think this some. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, we had an extra this thing. Yeah, an extra bracket was there. That was causing the issue. But yeah, so this is it. So j k minus 1 in this. So this basically gives us the entire this thing, right? Yeah, so that should fix it. Also, one more thing, in print cells, we can remove this guard now, because anyways, we will always know that this is always going to be 7. So like, you don't need to worry about it as much. We can, so let's just first test it out. I think it should work. Okay, we got an error. Index out of range. Let's keep that. Check. Okay. No. Okay. What? Where are we getting that issue? 172. 172. Okay. What is the issue? We are assigning JSK minus 1 mod 7. Calls of week of J is commits of K. This looks fine. Um, K minus 1 by 7. Okay, I'm not sure, because week has to be, yeah, calls of week, and not okay. Oh wait, yeah, this is not okay. And then no, this should work. What? If not, okay, then calls equals. Oh, wait. Oh, dude. No, we are essentially overwriting calls completely. We have to just add weeks over here. Why? Damn, that was so stupid thing. And then here also should be columns, just columns. So I was trying to read overwrite calls over here instead of writing a new row in calls. So yeah, that is fixed now. This should work now. And yeah, it does work now. So oh, okay. One more thing. I think the Tuesday and Thursday are mixed up. So this should be Tuesday. This should be Thursday. Yeah. So I think now it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday. So which is correct, right? Because today is Saturday. Last time we did it was Sunday and Monday. So yeah, now it does work like correctly. Yep. Let's go ahead and check it once more. So yeah, our CLI tool is working correctly now. So that's cool. Let's just go up. I personally think the formatting and all is quite fine. So you can just check this. Maybe we can reduce the spaces. Yeah, could do that. What I actually wanted to do was to add like this thing, a background to this. But I think so. Let's go to our Obsidian. Actually, we'll have to consolidate this as well. So this is the first part. This is the second part. I'm pretty sure we actually had made more things as well. But okay. Now we'll execute on this idea and then we'll like finish this project up. Yeah. So parent folder, child directories contain get here. Yeah, so we were looking at this. Let's actually look at GitHub popular repositories by commits. Yeah, so what we can do here is we can get the Git history for this and we can just test it out, right? So, hmm. Now, excuse me. Okay. Yeah, I think we can do catch 2, some modern C++ test framework. We can clone this out and we can just have the Git history tell us the rest of the story. So we can clone this here. In the meantime, we can go ahead and let's see, in scan utils, scan for git directory, get dot file path parse lines to slice. So I think we already have existing functions to, okay, what does this do? It opens the dot file path, existing repos, it makes a new string, it scans all of them, and it returns them as a slice, right? So that's exactly what we want, right? Yeah, so we can write a function here. We can write it down. Okay, never mind. Func get ignored this, and can have the, we say, ignore file path. It will return a slice of string, yeah, or an error. Then okay, where should the, okay, yeah, that's a question as well, right? That where do we keep the ignored file path? We can, yeah, later, what we'll do is const ignore file path equals dot slash क्या heat map ignore. Yeah, okay. Yeah, ignore file path will be a string. So we have this, it will return nil comma nil for now. Okay, now, actually, yeah, I think there is no need for this here. What we want is ignored dirs equals okay. Equals what? Our lines to slice, and we'll put the ignore file path over here. Okay, what's the issue? Ignore this is undefined. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be, and this will return an error as well. And so if error is not equals nil, then d dot log dot what is it? Error or println? Yeah, and so it will uh, ignore this. Actually, it should be panic for now because we will not be returning anything in this case, right? Or should we? No, that's fine. So it will return basically all the directory names that should be ignored. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, I think ignored this dot for I range. Ignored dis. Um, if x dot starts, how do you, what is the prefix? What is the starts with function equivalent for golang? So what I want is if it is starting with any prefix like a glob or starts with, okay, starts x dot start, what? In Go, strings has prefix. Go starts with has. Okay, x dot has. It's strings dot. Strings dot. And then I think starts with is not has prefix x. The prefix is star star slash. Or I think that's the only one that is there, right? Not sure. So star star dot uh, star star slash um what are the GitHub git ignore patterns? I'm not sure. Yeah, that's I think this should be enough, right? What wait, let me check. I don't have a git ignore written here. Let's check somewhere else. Maybe over here. Yeah, okay. So we have star and but that is for extensions, right? Yeah, okay. Also star slash is also a thing. I think it's let's see, I think it should be star slash. Yeah, that if it has that prefix, then x dot split based on slash and so ignore this of I equals string of split, right? Like the 0th element. Yeah. So the first element of this thing. Oh, actually no. No. It will be the yeah. So I think what this will enable us to do is we can get the name or the name of the directory, yeah, that we want to ignore. I think it should be a set, no? Like a hash map. Yeah, I think so too. So string and int maybe map of string and int. Yeah, ignore this now is this thing, right? So yeah, result make map of string int. Do we know the size yet? We do, right? Len, know this, but uh, does that even work? Not sure. This is going to be res. Yeah, cannot use. Okay, yeah, yeah. So strings dot split x slash 1. There we go. And here we can add x, or you can say past this. So masters, and then in ignored past. Well, actually, yeah, not sure if this is. We can just keep it at that, and yeah, great. I think this will work. Let's go for where does it scan it? Right, skipped it. Exactly. So see over here we have this d dot name equals dot get. If it is this, then we skip it. Now by default we are going to skip this one, and or okay, this is a bit tricky, right? Because then the user can remove this. Yeah. What is how to check if an element is present in a golang map? How do you do that? Well, okay, map foo. So okay will return. Okay, just a second. I think someone is. Um, okay, if val. Do we need the val? No, we don't. Okay. No, wait. I think we can nest this to work in our advantage. If comma okay equals what oh yeah, wait, first we have to slash res. You have to make it as ignored this. Then you can ignore this. You can get ignored this from the formatter field. Okay. Yeah. Um, ignore this of d dot name. Yeah, we can actually add this check also, that d dot name is not equals dot get. If this is true, then we for loop expected boolean implement. What? No. Expected boolean. Oh yeah, my bad. So not okay. No, if it is okay. Equals. I think it was equals, right? Um. Oh yeah. I think this needs to go above. So equals dot get. Yeah. And then here, wait, what is the issue here? Oh yeah, sorry, error if not equals nil fmt dot panic, sorry, log dot panic. What is it then? Hmm. Okay, I'll just take a short break and I'll be back. Still in a second though. Hold on. Log. Oh yeah, it was log dot panic or error is panic ln, I guess. Not so sure, but yeah, and yeah, we just that's it. Now I will take a break. I'll be back. Yo, we are back. Yep, okay. Yep, we're back. Uh, Let me switch to this. Okay. Yep. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So we have added the git ignore thing. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Oh. See. So this exact thing. Yeah. If d dot name equals this, right? So you can just wrap this entire thing in if d dot name d dot is there, sorry, is there. If this is true, then we can evaluate this entire block. uh yeah. Okay, what's up? Missing return. Oh, yeah. So if this is true, if it's a directory, then we'll go and we'll check for what directories it should exclude. And then, so the important thing about this is that this basically makes it so that that entire directory is kept. If I just do return nil over here, then it will just skip that particular instance of the directory that is, running. So that this is why it's important, this skip dir thing. Right now, I think this is fine. Uh, Also, let's take some time to make a file called constants.go. This is in package main. So all of this thing, right? What do you say? Constants, we can just put those there in constants.go. No, yeah, this, what? Oopsie. Right, so this we put it in constants, const heat map. I think in stats utils also we had this, right? So we can put this in constants as well. Wait, yeah. Okay. I think, oh, okay, I think this is fine. Yeah. Okay, it's not. Let me. Uh, I think so. What happens is sometimes like the fsync or the files are basically written, but still somehow the linter like fails to recognize or acknowledge that they have actually been removed from one file. So it says it has been re-declared. Star slash node modules. Also, if I do slash here also, we should be good. Then we can do VNV. Oh, also, yeah, that is an issue. But I think that won't be that big of an issue. Yeah, let's see. Oh, we can add catch 2 as well to the heat map ignore. Yeah, let's run this. Undefined. Oh, we have to build constants together as well. I think I could constants.go. We could. Oh, okay. Why is it? So node modules was not recognized in the heat map. Ignore. Let's see. Is it still? Oh yeah, it looks like it is getting scanned, huh? Let's see what the output of stats scan utils. Get ignored dirs, and we can maybe print ln, sorry, ignored dirs. Let's just know what exact data have we even got. Okay, we are getting gibberish lines to slice. No, but okay. Oh wait, my bad. So past years, yeah. We want to. No, it's still 3 out of 4. Dot slash. Huh. No, I mean, so everything is printing correctly, but for some reason we are encountering the error that the repository does not exist, node modules and whatnot. So that's the issue. Those past years should maybe it's with the ignore file path, like that's not. Yeah, maybe that's it. Let's check. So in scan utils we have parse lines to slice, can print, and then existing repos. Okay. Oh, okay. I understood. I understand it now. I was making a silly mistake, like a silly baka. I have to do a for x, for underscore x range. Yeah, I think I can just do it here. Print ln x, print. Yeah. See. Okay. So it is being entered in. Oh, okay. If strings. Oh, okay. Wait. So if it has a prefix of this, or it has strings dot has prefix x slash. Yeah. Sorry. It has to be a slash like this. There we go. So in that case, we can do this. Else string has a suffix, right? Oh, actually, what people tend to also do is put a star star. Yeah, this should help it. No, it's not helping it at all. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I can add it as is for now. Oh, okay, that's the issue. So ignore this. So strings dot split. This is going to be 0 here. Yeah, and this is going to be else if. Going to be unfortunately else. Just x with a nice shot. What is it? Is it elif and else if? What is else if? There you go. If expected statement found else. Expected statement. What do you mean? This is fine. If yeah. Oh, it's supposed to, but then shouldn't the linter be doing that? What? So is there? I can't remember. I have like the memory of a goldfish. Is else if in golang else if else what we have else if the hell else if. So okay, I think just has to be on this. Okay, but then just do it, man. The linter should do it. Do this. Whatever. Fine. So else if strings dot has suffix this or yeah. Now I think it should work. No, it's not working because I think it's not added here in the heat map. What is it? It's node modules. V and V catch 2. Okay. No. V. What if I just add the names? Is it still no? Okay. Maybe no. It's reading the things right. Wait, we can check that also. So print ln x. Let's check what is it reading. Yeah, it's reading the contents correctly. The contents are getting correctly read. Yeah. Slash print slash print. Okay, nowhere else. Fine. What should I do then? Let's just keep it simple then. Yeah. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. How to check if an element is in map in golang? My map key value comma OK. The variable OK will be true if the key is present and false if it's not. So false if the value is not present. So isn't that what we are doing here? T dot name equals get uh, alpha. Sorry, it's path. It's path return. Schedule. I think we don't return in that case. So if D is dir, we do this. Ignore dirs. Okay, let's just check first now for exchange uh, arrange ignored dirs print ln x. Let's see. Oh, so what the hell then? Let's see. Print f ignoring yes. So Okay, ignoring V and V, node modules, ignoring catch 2. So it is ignoring all of those. What is the issue then? Why is it creating an error for us? Hmm. No. You'll have to look at the git diff now. Yeah, because catch 2, heat map ignore, this is fine. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay. Yeah, I had to take that call. But yeah, I think I found it out. The issue was that we were checking this as a directory, whereas we had to check this as like a file. So I think now, no. Okay, why is that? Because yeah, over here again, the thing is that we are not really checking if d.name equals node modules, if d.name equals env. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah, so if ignored name, oh, okay, I get it. I think what's happening is, let's see. No, it's what? Node modules. It's still showing up. And mm, those modules or d.name equals v term file path. Let's skip there. Okay. Also should print the this thing, right? D.name. Like what is different in that name? That is nothing. Then why is it getting picked up? What? And d.name was dot get. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so that part stays constant now if d dot is there and this. Okay, so huh, let's see. Why is it after this change that it's yeah, because earlier it wasn't, right? Node modules env venv, so hmm, it did ignore catch too. Oh, you know what's happening? Okay, I get it. So wait, hold on. Here dot local, what is it? Heat map local heat map. Yeah. So those directories are here. Yeah. Yeah. That's why. So then this is an issue. Even because I think this filtering happens for only new ones then, right? Yeah. Which is a little, uh, yeah, it's not ideal. Print, no print. Okay. Also, what is this dot 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 dot? Right, we need to investigate scan utils, stats utils में print months, print day, print cell, print months. Okay. Okay, I can't see anything as such. Escape and does this? It's in like the normal vanilla this color. Oh, it could be from main actually. Unlikely. Never mind. Flag.pass scan folder stats email. Oh yeah, we were printing the folder. That's why. Yeah, now it works. Hmm. Nice. So we added a get ignore as well. Now what we want to do is we want to make that get ignore. Where is it? Scan utils. Scan utils. Where we want it to get dot file pass lines in merging. I think it makes the most sense to do this for uh, both. Exactly. So, but I mean, so to be fair, this local git heat map, right? This is supposed to be sort of something that I mean, yeah, if you manually go and add it, I think that should be on you. Yeah, I feel like that should be like a design decision, right? That we make. So, see dot slash catch two. Oh, it's showing some commits. It's showing them from this file, I think. Yeah. So no new commits. Nothing. So three. Nothing. Showing something, which is okay. Let's see for heatmap.ignore catch two. Yeah. Ooh, it should light up. No, it's not lighting up. CD catch. What is wrong? Why catch two? Yeah, let's see get log. Oh, because there is no email, right? And I don't have any. So what we could do is let's go here. In the catch too, we can look at the insights and understand who is like the most like the top contributor over here. We'll say last 6 months. So okay, this person here. By the way, this is like their Martin Hornowski. I'm sorry if I'm saying the name wrong. But yeah, they are the top contributors. So I think we saw the name here as well. Yeah. So you can copy this. You can copy the name. So here instead of my email, I will put this gentleman's email. Oh God. Yeah, I'll put their email here, and it should light up. No, no module. What? What? No required module provides package mean.go. Huh? What does that even mean? Go mod tidy. Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, we were in the wrong directory. Oh yeah, so you can see their graph as well in the last few months. So commits, okay, so they have the highest. We should look at some repository that has like a high uh, commit number, so we can get all this thing. Spoken language, any date range today, repositories this month, trending. So okay, code base memory MCP. Does this have like a high? I'm not sure. Okay, so we just need like a really high number of commits. That's all. So okay, this has 9,000 forks. Maybe it will have like a really crazy amount of commits. Let's see. 15 hours ago, it does, and it does just one dude who's committing to this. So we can clone this as well. So we'll delete this one. We'll hit clone. Also, we'll have to, yeah. I can't reduce it to less than one line. So sucks. System prompt leaks. Okay. Uh, nice. Okay. So instead of, oh yeah, we'll have to actually go to system prompt leaks and do a git log. And oh, oops, they have the G here. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. Uh, I'm gonna copy this command. I'm gonna paste it here. Home. Next. I think this looks pretty cool. Okay, that's. I think now that this is done, we can, yeah, we can like safely sort of wrap this project up now. Okay, I was. So, yeah, constants.go, blah blah blah. We have the heat map ignore, some scan utils, stats utils. Um, okay, we'll start writing this. So the project name is local get heat map. I think we should Flavio Coves. Yeah, I'll add his link because this entire thing was based on his, yeah, this thing. So based on this article, and oh, we don't have any formatter for this thing, for Markdown. Or I guess we have prettier, but we have not configured it yet. So that's okay. That's fine. Never mind. Ts install Markdown. Yeah, hell yeah. Let me see. Let's see. Do we have prettier? Yeah, we do. Okay, never mind. Fine. So based on this article, let's write local get heat map is uh, GitHub inspired. GitHub inspired heat map for a given user's commits and, yeah, just commits. It renders a rich heat map of the commit history across multiple repositories that have been added by the user. Yeah, ideally it should not. But this is fine. So yeah, so let's see. Name what it should be, installation. How could people, yeah, so clone this repository, blah, blah, blah. to your device. Number one. Number two, what else? Install the Go project. No, first you'll have to build it, right? Build the Go project using the following command dash um, go build main.go scan. Also, oh, okay, wait. Does go build dot work? Oh, it does. What? Wait a minute. Oh, damn, it does. Install local git bitmap add dir email. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. So this does not work clearly. Dot slash what does we get? Okay, but the thing is that slash dot slash. So get this, but we get dots. So we can do dot slash coding practice. Okay, that does not exist. Oh, it's double. It's a P as well. It's a P as well. P. Uh, yeah. Okay, it's not working. Fine. Slash home slash dash. Okay, that works. Okay, I didn't know that you could. I mean, I think we did this yesterday, but damn, I forgot. Go build dot open terminal in the cloned directory. Okay, for install the command on your install the project using what did we use for install? Go install dot. Okay. And go install dot. We've installed it now. Yeah, so run the following command to ensure the CLI tool works. Right, local, what is it? Local get heat map h local get heat map. Fine. Run the following command to ensure the CLI tool works. Insert or what? Okay, I need to check why this thing does not work. But anyways, fine. Run the following command to ensure the CLI tool works. Great. Now we can go to usage. Wait, this is crazy, man. I don't know why am I getting this error or the readme. But anyways, fine. Well, let's actually commit. See. Okay, feet moved. Move all the constants to a single file. Fix removed the unnecessary necessary this thing print statement. Go stats. Added git ignore adjacent functionality. Let's push this and oh yeah, I think it's all your data stays local, never leaves your PC. And I think this is pretty obvious, but I think still people do like stays local. Wait, now leaves your PC. So usage. Let's see. Number one, once installed, the you can understand the flags and the usage by using the -h flag. Fine. Okay, then okay, we'll have to give an example for this as well, right? It should be local. I think it's oh, same for this. Whoa, what happened? Okay. Um, 2. You can add only one directory at once, and all the added directories will be stored at this path right there slash dot local get heat map. Okay, so bash local get heat map slash add there. Or I guess you could do this also. It's fine. Equals there name. Get range. I don't get why. Yeah. Email equals at example.com. Correct. Okay. So this is done. Local, you can add only one directory at once. Then I guess, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. The only thing left is to add a screenshot. Okay, so we're pretty much finished now. We have written like a decent readme for this. We just need to take a screenshot, and I am not sure how to take a screenshot on X11. Scroll. Oh, it's not. Okay. X11 Linux. I never actually installed this thing. Okay. Of an X11 based. Okay. Da. Okay, I think I will have to. I don't think that works though. Shift print screen. Okay. Nope. 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 Let's see. Yeah, we don't have a screenshot utility. I'll have to install one. Screenshot util or X11 Arch Linux. Dude, I used to have VLAN, but I for some reason, yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's install a shotgun. Minimal screenshot was written to use meme in my workflow. How good is it? And has a decent number of stars. Is meme bigger? Yes, it is. Mask normal. Yeah, I think this is better to install. Do I have to install it using? Okay, yeah. Okay, camera's back on. I3 window manager shortcut. Command Shift X. Okay, it's 4 not config. Um, what is it? X11? No, I don't know. I3. It's I3 and oh yeah. Anyways, so we have this installed using for Arch. What do we have? Extra main. Okay, it's just meme. Okay, sudo acman dash s meme. Let's just install this and examples. Yeah, I think that's exactly what we want. Clipboard one. This forces. Yo, what's up, Anurag? Crazy man. Nice to see you. Damn, bro, this could have been you and us, but it's fine. Nah, bro, no need to apologize. Wait, तुला तुला माहिती आहे का की प्रोग्रेस किती झाली आहे? So this is a local CLI tool. ज्याचा end result असा दिसतो. Yeah, and so this is हे मी install केलंय local याच्यावर. So on my local this thing as a what do you say, a local dependency type, local CLI type. So that's how it works here. Ki you basically add a directory, and then to that directory matlab it will search all the git files and then it will render a heat map based on your commit activity and all. And then it has like all the normal git features like git ignore and whatnot. Wait, just what the heck, man? So yeah, heat map ignore. I have just added some basic as this thing directories, but yeah. So it's pretty simple. As a so just instead of having to look up your GitHub heat map, I because I use GitLab as well. So this is convenient. But yeah, that's it, man. Hold on, what? Xclip. Now I'm trying to take a screenshot, but making it, yeah, you can get the stats directly on the terminal. Yes, man. So for me, like getting the screenshot is proving to be harder than the actual this thing. Let's see if this works. Okay. Yay, I am able to take a screenshot now. Let's go. Okay, hold on. Uh, a screenshot of the this thing, man. Uh, like the project. I'm making a README file, no? The README file साठी पाहिजे. Wait, no, I think yeah. Okay, this is good. And then the same command again. Now I can take a nice screenshot. Okay, what for some reason. Okay, now for some reason the email मध्ये येतं, but okay, whatever. Fine, but yeah, I'm just wrapping up shit right now. I might not be able to see your chat for a few seconds. Yeah, okay, nice. Finally done. Arey nahi na, can't take it from the stream, man. L stream. Damn, what a hater. What a hater, bro. Holy shit. Oh. Oh. Hating from the start. Nah, bro, that is wild. Nah, but ठीक है ना, fine. Anyways, we are done. So it's completely written in golang, by the way. Flexing on on Anurag here, opening up my own GitHub profile. No, I did not use any AI. We do not do that here. So no AI was used. But yeah, man. Holy shit. Now I'm trying to update this, what do you say, file. Do you have an idea how to update a Git file? Download, copy, the heck. Did you use Git APIs? No. I used I mean, yeah, indirectly I did use Git APIs. Yes. Yeah. So like I have a wrapper. Yeah, bro, I know. I don't know how though. What? I can't see an option. Download, copy. Never mind. Fine. Skill issue. I have a skill issue. Ah, wait. Clipboard to PNG. L coder also. Bro. Uh, what did I ever do to deserve this? Only fact is W speed. Okay, thanks, bro. What is going on in your life? How is your job, man? Bhai, legit sometimes I just come home like Saturday morning वगैरह and like so exhausted कि I'm like why to do this? But I find it starts from August 3. Oh, crazy. Good for you, man. Bro is enjoying life. Nothing as such like you don't do side projects ka Athamak, in this time. What is a header image? Okay, header image is done. Uh, yeah, I forgot to push. Uh, oh damn, bro does lead code for fun. Crazy. Medium वर articles नाही लिहत का तुझ्या मित्रांसारखं or not into building projects, not a big building guy. It add readme. You always push but never pulls. Bro, what the hell? I am getting trashed in the chat. Yes, that is true. I pulled you though. I pulled you and that is good enough. Anurag, so kindly STFU. Oh, bro said oh. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Week 1 goal is complete. Let's create a PR and merge this. So, okay, for so, acha, okay, I'm not signed in. Okay, Manon, I can't update. What the heck? Okay, not doing that on stream right now. GHPR create title. अरे यार, but target should be target using CLI local git heat map. Till what's up, man? What else? What is your hot take about Golang? Do you like Golang or do you like Java more now that you are a Java boy? Local git heat map session week 1. Signy login. Ah, I am only Python boy. What the heck, bro? Nah, I mean I can't hate on Python. Python is pretty good, but yeah, I mean why? Why just Python? Why limit yourself when you can be so much more? Take GitHub. I am only Python work. That's the last thing I said. Cool. Body base, the base branch into which you want your code merged. So it should be base. Okay, I see. Base. Submit gh merge. Yeah. Let's at least look at the PR. Okay. I am working on transfer learning, which is primarily in Python. Nice, bro. You are working on a project now. You are not just nice. Hey, that is cool. Honestly, if I was doing Python, even I would. If I was doing DSA, I would do DSA in Python. आणि मग projects पण Python basis केले असते. Yeah, nah, lead code is evergreen. GHPR. No. Let's go, bro. PR submitted, squashed and merged. One project over. Hell yeah. Okay, now we'll have to add a status over here. Yes, man. Bro, guys, if you didn't know, Anurag was my best friend since first year. In the BXC lectures, we used to sleep on the first bench, and the professor used to teach from the second bench, just ignoring us because we were just so mythical status goated. Yeah. So Anurag, after sleeping in class, why have you decided to wake up and do DSA? ते इंस्टाग्राम में रील्स देता ना, कि दोस्त, मेरे को लगा दोस्त सो रहा है तो मैं उसको रील्स भेजा, बट दोस्त तो डीएसए ग्राइंड कर रहा था. Cause I hate myself. Nah, bro, don't hate yourself. You're such a nice guy. The only thing you should hate is, I don't know, shouldn't hate yourself. Pretty goated guy if you ask me. Ooh, update /week 1 progress. So I will be here. Yeah. Yeah, man. See you. Bye. Thanks. Week 1. Week number 1. Anurag is left now, which means we can talk shit about him behind his back. No, that's not what I'm going to do. Week 1, what we did was local git heat map. Yeah, I have zero creativity, so I'm just going to copy it from here. Yeah, all let's let's just copy all of this and let's just paste it here. Yep, nice. Okay, local git here, blah 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 blah. Yeah. So this, and then let's add the link here. So yeah, and this is where the link should go. Yep, yep. Yeah, sounds like the okay. There we go. Yeah, so this is the entire rig done end to end. Oh, also we could add this as well, right? As like a yeah. Actually, we should add this so people like get a good idea of what copy to clipboard as an SVG, copy to clipboard as a PNG, SVG, PNG. How do yeah? Let's just copy it as a PNG. Oh yeah, there we go. Cancel. Mm-hmm. Tuna dot. Oh wait, yeah, on the wrong branch. See, wait, add week one progress. Done. Okay. So this will merge into main, right? GHPR create week one pro project. There we go. So by default it should go to main. Yeah. Escape. Done. GHPR merge. I don't need to add. No. Cancel. Squash and merge. Yeah. Oh wait. No. For this we want to delete it. Squash and merge. Why? Submit. Great. Yeah. Done. What branch are we on now? On main. Okay, let's go here. Oh, but then we would have to. Oh, that's fine. Actually, wait. Week one. Yeah, we can just update it here. So yeah, in assets, rename. So this is going to be uh, scan dir process, right? Then we should create a diagram that basically gives you an overview of what exactly this is. Yeah. So I'll do that now. Love Obsidian, bro. It's cool. So okay, why is it so sloppy? Um, okay, in Excalibur preferences. Now, how do you view mode? Toggle UI mode. There you go. Not sloppy at all. This is fine. This is fine. Okay. So initially, what it does is, okay. Ooh, don't like that font. Nunito. The heck? Nunito. Comic Sans, Helvetica. Okay, Helvetica works here. So add a directory. Um, yeah, local git heat map scans all the git repos inside directory. Yeah, scan all git repos inside directory. Here we go. Git. It scan it. Then we add it to a file. Save git repos to file. Heat map. Existing. Okay. Then I need a merge symbol here. Why can't it be a perfect circle? Okay, perfect circle almost. Yeah, this is fine. This will do. Actually, it should be smaller. Yeah. Okay. So just to signify that these two are getting merged, and then get all the commits. Mm, Get all commits from added git repos. Generate a heat map for the local heat map with local data. There you go. Oh yeah, also I think worth mentioning is add repos. What is the English? word for to be ignored. Overlooked. No, I think skipped is better. And equals skip in heatmap ignore dot heatmap ignore small r with this text. Okay, then we'll add a directory. Okay, almost done. Just have to add a few hours here now. Okay, so regarding the font, keep this font, which is fine. Arrows is fine. Just, I guess that's fine. Okay, so these are all the files. Local get heatmap, add a directory, scan all, merge. This does not look like a perfect circle. No, okay, Okay, done. Nice. So this is complete. Let's copy this as a PNG in dark mode. Okay, hit this. Rename it. And this as well as CLI overview. There we go. So, oh, okay. Hmm. Okay, so readme. Does readme have the image or yeah, it uses image only. Okay, that's fine. Then in the end we can just add working. And then just add these images. So overview, over, overview of CLI, then overview image slash assets, assets CLI overview, then scanning process. This scan there's that slash assets and CLI over no scanner. There you go. Let's wait. Oh yeah, sorry. We need to add an exclamation here and here as well. Now we are ready. Okay. Read and new or read. There we go. Now I think we are finally complete. Let's see how this looks. No, it's here. This branch. We can local git map, local git heat map. What? Oh, this is bad. What? Okay, so we have renamed the wrong thing. Okay, overview of C. I think that's like this thing. Header image. Oh, CLI. Okay, let's what in readme. Um, okay, and then here I'll have to add the CLI overview. I'm not sure if so. Yeah. fix correct set names. Okay, I think now we are done. No? What the heck? No way. No freaking way. What? Okay, hold on. Get revert head. Okay, hold on. So let's just shuffle it up then. So no, for now I'm going to keep it a bit confusing. So this is slash CLI overview. Okay, and this is image, right? Okay, it's not working. The slash assets. No, wait. Ah, what is going on? No. This is a PNG, this is a PNG. None of them are the same, right? Okay, these two are the same then. Ah, okay, this is really bad. Yeah, have to. Let's look at readme.md. Okay, so yeah, this is CLI overview. Let's just remove all of it. Let's go to downloads. CLI overview. Yeah, we got this. Now I can go to coding practice. Weak industry assets. There you go. And this needs to be renamed to header image Okay, have image.png, which is the actual this thing. Is the CLI overview. Yeah. Then in assets we have the scandir process. So this is correct. Okay, finally. CLI overview.t. And this is going to be the image.png, right? And then for scan directory process scandir, we'll go assets and fix current asset paths. Okay, finally, I think we are good now. No, this branch, yeah. Yes, let's go. This is sick, dude. I love this. Scan directory process is clear. This is clear. We have the commands that are clear. Oh shit. Uh, oh my bad. I wasn't looking at the message. Bro, can I complete DS in 4 months and get placed? I have no clue, man. I mean, I did DSA for like 6 months. Again, this is not like I haven't done DSA in months, so yeah. I legit wasn't paying attention at the chat. I zoned out, so yeah, you may have already left, but yeah, my bad, man. I hope that answers your question. Yeah, I wasn't looking at the chat, but okay, fine. Well, I think that really concludes our entire stream and the project for today. Tomorrow, I think we will be doing a video encoder in Golang. It will be a short one, but I think it will be fun. So yeah, let's see how it works. Bye.